Welcome to the Elon Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 19 November 2024. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Remember, the content here does not represent our opinions, but reflects news items in public media. Let's dive into the world of Tesla and its ongoing battery saga. Recently, TL's founder, Robin Zeng, openly criticized Elon Musk's grasp of battery cell production. Zeng claims Musk lacks the expertise in electrochemistry necessary for Tesla's ambitious 4680 battery cell project. Despite Tesla's assertions of progress, Zeng remains skeptical, pointing out Musk's tendency to overpromise on timelines. This tension underscores Tesla's struggle to reduce dependency on suppliers like Carr, which dominates the battery market and supplies Tesla's Shanghai Gigafactory. In the realm of telecommunications, Brendan Carr's appointment as the new FCC chair by President-elect Trump has stirred discussions. Known for his free speech advocacy, Carr's leadership is anticipated to align with Musk's interests, particularly benefiting Starlink's direct-to-cellular service. This move could unsettle terrestrial competitors concerned about potential interference. Carr's history of criticizing the FCC's subsidy decisions for Starlink hints at a favorable shift for Musk's space-based communication ventures. Turning to the AI sector, Elon Musk's relationship with OpenAI has soured, leading to a lawsuit against the organization and Microsoft. Musk, an investor, feels betrayed by OpenAI's closed-source direction under Sam Altman. The lawsuit accuses OpenAI of becoming a Microsoft subsidiary, straying from its original mission. This legal battle not only challenges the partnership, but also seeks to reshape the narrative of OpenAI's origins as Musk and Altman compete for AI dominance. In automotive news, the Trump transition team is prioritizing a federal framework for self-driving vehicles, potentially aiding Musk's cybercab plans. Current regulations assume human drivers, posing challenges for fully autonomous vehicles. Options include rewriting safety standards, granting waivers, or new legislation. The urgency for Musk is clear, as existing rules could hinder the cybercab's launch without modifications. Lastly, Elon Musk recently shared his 5-step process for engineering, emphasizing a methodical approach. He advocates questioning all requirements, eliminating unnecessary elements, and simplifying designs. Musk stresses understanding systems at a high level and warns against premature automation. He highlights the often underrated complexity of manufacturing, challenging the perception that design is the most difficult aspect. That's all for today's episode of the Elon Daily News. We hope you found these updates insightful. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories. Join us next time for more on Elon Musk and his ventures. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.